Hey guys, Nick with Abbott Ferraro here. This is a gravity job we just did over in Minneapolis, and I just wanted to make a quick video, kind of run through what we do, why we do it. So let's head on inside and check it out. Alright, here we are inside. This is a rental property. Somebody's just moving their stuff in. Here's a return. So we kept the return the same. We just used part of it. I don't know if you can see it inside the sheet metal boots, and then the back half is filled in because we don't need that larger return anymore. And then the supplies, we generally use the old supplies. Try to keep everything the same. We just redo everything underneath with brand new, but we keep the old registers. One thing happened here, there was a double supply that fed this room and the kitchen, and it was behind the stove. And what we realized is the gas stove, if we hook up the new supply to it and have air blowing on the back of the stove, it's going to cause problems. So we took that out. That's abandoned. That's going to be covered up. And then when we installed a new supply over here, a modern supply, we had to cut through the tile, which was not fun, but we did. So let's head on downstairs and check that out. Alright, we're in the basement now. So you can see the spot where the old gravity was. And now all this room is freed up. This was all had pipes and a big octopus with big ducts coming out of it. So what we did is we took all that out, or the abatement company did. And we put in all new modern ductwork. In fact, here's a new one. We put a supply in the basement because they want to finish this basement off. And then this is a main supply trunk, and this is a main return. And then you can see it goes all the way down here. Here's a branch run. And they wanted the furnace tucked in the corner here. So here's the furnace now, and that's where the furnace was, in the middle of the room. So we tucked this behind the chimney, and then the staircase is right on the back side. So when I turn here, you can see all the room now that they have in the basement. So it really frees up a lot of room. It's amazing how much room the old gravities take. So this is a 2-stage variable speed train, 20 by 25 media filter. This is our load calc report we have to leave. And this is a condensate pump. To pump the condensate from the air conditioner in the furnace. That gets pumped into a laundry room over there. Refrigeration lines right here. Filter, dryer. Then these are the vent pipes for the furnace. The old one went up the chimney, so then they come over. They have to run all the way down there and go out. And then they have to be pitched back towards the furnace to drain. So they're actually above the ductwork at this height here. So the pipes really aren't the lowest thing. It's the ductwork here. So yeah, this is your basic gravity system. So here's the air conditioner. And I'll just show you real quick. And these are the furnace flue pipes that in the basement, the pipes that we're running all the way across. So the upper one is a discharge, and the lower one's the intake. And then the electrical is here. And I actually have to have an outlet now within 25 feet of the outdoor unit. So you can see there's a GFI outlet in there. And then that's the disconnect to kill the power to the air conditioner. Got our holes sealed up with thumb gum. This is UV rated line set covering. That's required also. And then locking caps on the refrigerant. line, you can see those are locking caps. So